Welcome to GitHub Profile Analyzer quick demo.
Hello, curious learners. So today I'm going to give you a quick demo of GitHub Profile Analyzer, which I have built using Google Gemma tool and some data science libraries from Python. So let me just show you a quick demo. So I am using my own GitHub account. So this is my GitHub profile name, and I'm going to use it to quickly show you the analyzer. So I copy pasted my username, adding into the text input. I'm clicking on analyzing, and this will generate output in a few seconds. So the output is ready, and this is the profile URL which is fetched from an API data. And there is an overall analysis. Now this analysis is generated using Google Gemma 1.1 model. So this is currently running on a Google Colab notebook where Google Gemma model is running in the backend. And this is a interface which is running on Gradio tool. And this analysis that you see, like, let me just zoom in to a little bit. So this analysis that you see here, which is the front-end developer, then the expertise, the front-end technologies that I work on, so JavaScript, React, Jupyter Notebook, Stack. This is all generated using Gemma analysis. And the development patterns which I have been generated by Google Gemma. Then the technical expertise, which Google Gemma feels my profile has. Then the JavaScript, React, JS, Jupyter Notebook, Stack, and other stuff. So this entire analysis that you see is generated using Google Gemma model. And if you just want to go through quickly, so I am using the Google Gemma 1.1 model, which you can see here. So Google Gemma 1.1. And I wanted to add something extra. So I added a table below, and this is generated using pure Python code. So we are like fetching the data from the repos API of GitHub, and we have sorted them on the basis of star count. And these are the top 10 repos sorted on the basis of star count, which you can see in the table. Table is generated using Gradio, and these are the top 10 repositories present on my profile by star count. So if you go to my GitHub profile, there are almost 88 repositories, and these are the top 10 of them. And then I wanted to add some graphs using data science. So this is a word cloud which is generated using matplotlib and word cloud library from Python. And this shows the topics which I generally use a lot in my repos topics section. Then this is the top 10 repositories which we just saw, and this is a bar chart created using them. And it also shows the main languages which are used in those repos. For example, most of the blue are using JavaScript. Then these are the data science one, which was created some time back for some data science explorations. So they are in Jupyter Notebook, and then there is some ID card generator, which is pure HTML, majorly in HTML. And then we have a Vue.js repository as well. So these are the repositories which are ranked from top to last based on star count, and these are shown in the form of a bar chart. Then we have a repository language distribution. So majorly, most of the repositories are created using JavaScript language. Some are using TypeScript, and the data science ones are using Python. Then there is few repositories using Vue. We are using Jupyter Notebook, and HTML, CSS is default. So this is the overall language distribution of the GitHub profile. And this is a repository creation timeline, which is somewhat useful. So let's just say it will show you the time when you created most of your repos. For example, from 2018 to 2020, I created less than 5 repos, but in 2020 to 2022, and there was a time when I created around 18 repos in a single go. And that was the time when I was most active on my GitHub, this GitHub profile. And then there are rest of the profiles created. So the analysis that you saw is using a large language model, which is Google Gemma 1.1. So I used it and created this analysis first. Then I used the table using the API data and some Python libraries to generate the charts. So this is how we can like combine the large language model analysis along with existing data science tools which we have been using since past few years, and combine them to create a good analysis of any topic. So this is for GitHub, but we can create it from any topic. And the goal of this demo was to demonstrate that we can combine LLMs with existing data science tools for creating detailed analysis. And I'm going to like create a detailed video about the code which I used in my Google Colab, and I'm going to open source the Colab code as well in my upcoming video. And for this demo, I just wanted to demonstrate how the tool works, and this was just a quick short demo of the tool. If you found this demo useful, then hit the like button on this post and stay tuned for the detailed video as well. So that's it from my end for today, and thank you. Have a nice day. Goodbye.